Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the Today's Waiter Highlights notifications on the Waiters channel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And in the notifications section, you can find the alerts button, the first option. And in the manage section next to the current at the the top side of the screen, you can find the first option, Today Waiter Highlights, and you can find the off button and just click to the next white circle. And this notification is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.